Hey everyone, so is Grammarly's AI not working for you? Maybe the AI suggestions aren't showing, sentence rewrites aren't available, or the writing assistant seems completely unresponsive. Yeah, that can be really frustrating when you're trying to write smarter, faster. In this video, I'll show you several simple ways to fix Grammarly AI not working, and most of these steps take just a few minutes. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Grammarly AI relies on an active connection to communicate with its servers. So if your connection is slow or intermittent, the AI features may not load properly. Next, try refreshing your page or restarting the Grammarly app. Sometimes AI features fail to load on first open, and a quick reload can bring them back. Grammarly AI features require a premium subscription. Make sure your account is active and that you're logged in with the correct account that has AI access. If AI still isn't working, clearing cached data can help. For browsers, clear cache and cookies. For the desktop or mobile app, clear app data or reinstall the app to remove corrupted files. Make sure you're using the latest version of Grammarly, whether it's the browser extension, desktop app, or mobile app. Outdated versions can cause AI features to stop working. Sometimes other browser extensions or security software can block Grammarly AI. Try temporarily disabling other extensions one by one, or check your firewall/antivirus settings to ensure Grammarly is allowed to connect. And that's it. Most issues with Grammarly AI not working can be fixed by checking your internet, ensuring your subscription is active, or updating the app. If this guide helped you, check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.